Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Prapti. I'm a second year physiotherapy student and welcome back to a new video. So this is like a very unplanned impromptu video that I am posting just while I'm shooting this. So I hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, which is like not a very big deal, I understand. But honestly, like it is sort of a big deal for me. I'll tell you all why. So I started creating content on YouTube approximately when like NEET was there. NEET के ऐसे कुछ 15 days or 20 days पहले. I know that is like a very bad timing to start something new, but I was really demotivated and I was not able to study. So just to distract myself, start something, I started posting and random videos on YouTube which did not make a lot of sense and was just like okay to record myself to stay consistent. After that, after my NEET phase, I went like a little bland. I did not post anything. And then जैसे I entered physiotherapy college, I started my college in December 2024. So तभी से लेके I have made so many videos on YouTube. Orientation vlog, first day vlog, first exam vlog, first anatomy lab, a lot of videos. Like I loved recording, and in this process of recording, not just me, but a lot of my college friends are also too much involved, like in a way that they also enjoy talking, vlogging around with me. And मेरे सब vlogs में you see this set of people that I am and which I'm super grateful for. So sorry if you're facing a bad light because I'm not using any ring light and it is like dark outside. But as I was saying that I have recorded so many vlogs from my first year. I used to post shorts so consistently. And uske baad, all my friends were like super active and they used to be a part of my vlog and enjoy the whole process. But one thing जो मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा बार सुनी थी कि why don't you start posting on Instagram? Because I started YouTube in a way that no one knows you. Like you don't have follow back and all of that. It's just like people if they like you, any unknown, because it does not even connect yourself to like YouTube does not allow any connect to contacts or Gmail or like anything जिससे लोगों को पता चले that I have a channel. There is nothing called mutual, so everyone has their own choice of people to follow. So I just started YouTube essay. After that, I hit around 2,000 follow subscribers on YouTube. And तभी like constantly I was like, oh, I need to create an Instagram account. मेरे दिमाग में भी था somewhere, but I was like a little scared that all the family members and everyone around you comes to know that you have a YouTube channel. Because before बहुत कम लोगों को like शायद गलती से suggestions में आ गया, उनको ही पता था. And a lot of people did not know that, I post on YouTube and all of that. This reminds me of a scenario that took place on the orientation day only. One girl from my class, she came to me and in front of the whole like first day friends together standing and in front of everyone, she said that you create content on YouTube. And I was like, hmm. And then I did not want to say that to anyone on the first because I was like, really, like I need to know them. And then I say that I do this, I do that, but उनको पहले दिन ही पता चल गया था. And of course, they would have like gone and stopped me. If I would be at their place, then I would have done the same, like stalked her up, that what is she up to, what she posts and all of that. तो वो हुआ उसके बाद I recorded first I recorded a lot of videos like first when everyone like उसके बाद last year around August के बाद I was really considering okay I should start posting on Instagram I should not I should तो people around me a lot of people like not ऐसे कि एक जन ने मुझे बोला है but मेरे batchmates में से भी 5-7 people have like told me that start posting on Instagram you'll get better reach you will reach more correct audience and mutuals and everything. So I was very scared when I was starting Instagram. पर फिर मैंने एक दिन ऐसे बहुत मेहनत से एक वीडियो बनाया. It was like a introduction vlog. Like I'll pop it up here so you can see that vlog first.
Between learning, unlearning, and figuring things out together, welcome to my world. Hi, I am Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student from Mumbai. This little space is where I'll share my college life, my physio journey, and all the small and big moments in between. From long travels to even longer lectures, from theory to hands on practice, every day brings something new. I started my first year 11 months ago and it is kind of coming to an end, but I'm still settling in and still figuring things out. I have been posting on YouTube for a while, but Instagram, honestly, I was overthinking way too much. After countless drafts that never made it here I am, 20 days before my prelim. Well, in the middle of the chaos, deadlines, and memories in making, this is just the start of my journey. Let's see where it takes us. Also, follow along because it's going to be fun.
वो ब्लॉग की स्पीड, मेरा आवाज, the clips I was using, I got it verified from like 5 6 friends ki what do you think, should I post this, should I not? I was really scared. Then मेरे पास एक कुछ तो spam account पड़ा था तो उसको मैंने public कर दिया. I named it Prapti Physio and then I posted that one reel. तो तभी ज्यादा तो all my friends followed, so I reached 30 40 followers and I used to like follow a few people. Then धीरे धीरे over the span of around 8 to 9 months I reached 1,000 followers. And मैं बिल्कुल भी ऐसे consistent नहीं हूँ. I was like here and there, कभी ऐसे मन हुआ month में I used to post a lot of videos. and अभी मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसे है कि I post trial reels more because it helps you attract audience, but at the same time I realized that it won't work for me for long run because I need to post videos. So that way I am a little inconsistent, but still like I hit 1,000 followers. And I mean, I knew that I would hit it. So this is like tomorrow. So yesterday was Thursday. So Wednesday मुझे 990 हुए थे. So I was like pretty chill and I was not really thinking about it. So when I was not thinking about all of these, my three very close friends from class, they were planning something कि अगर मेरे 1,000 होंगे followers, so they'll like get a cake and like we'll cut a cake, and which was super overwhelming to me because as a person I do not expect anyone to do anything for me. Like if you want to appreciate me, like मुंह से बोल दो ऐसे, you don't have to do anything materialistically. And the second thing was Vaishvi was going on a trip the next day. तो अगर वो एक दिन रह जाता, which was Thursday, so they would have directly be able to like execute the plan on Tuesday. So they asked उनके मम्मी के फोन से, पापा के फोन से, बहन के फोन से, they started following me. So मेरे 1,000 हो. And मुझे से थोड़ा सस लगा कि oh my god, like suddenly why are so many like family members following? But I was like ठीक है, मतलब coincidentally हो गया होगा and all of that. But because of these three girls, they followed me from their spam accounts. They told people in the class. So basically, that day I was sitting in the library in the morning doing my content work only. क्योंकि वो वाले lectures में मेरी attendance अच्छी थी. I was like, okay, fine, I can choose not to sit in the library. And ऊपर these girls were asking class में if someone is like who is not following me, so follow Prapti because they wanted to get 1,000 done. मुझे कोई idea नहीं थी कि 1,000 हो जाएंगे ये सब है. And then they're calling me up that Tisha has like she has some issue, you need to come upstairs right now. And there was a situation where I felt ki okay, if there can be a need of urgency. Yeah, there can be a need of urgency and I should go if they're calling me twice. तो मैं गई. And then जैसे मैंने लैब वो लोग ने खोला जो लैब में, बोला like happy one which was very 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 cute. And I did not expect it at all कि these girls are planning, and I just feel that in my entire process of Instagram, my lighting is fluctuating weird. So in my entire process of reaching from 0 to 1,000, firstly to begin an Instagram account, if I feel that these three girls and more 4 5 people from class from elsewhere, if they would not have like told me कि बना डाल it's fine, don't think and blah blah blah. So पहले तो मैं Instagram चालू ही नहीं करती, I would be on YouTube only. Secondly, during the entire procedure of me posting, so I used to ask like Tasha ki, how do you feel about this edit? You send me reel ideas. They used to send me reels. Then I used to see ki, okay, I can do something with this, modify it this way. If I need any sound audio, I used to always tell Vaishvi ki, this I'm talking in Gujarati because I'm very used to talking to Vaishvi in Gujarati. So like, what do you think about this music? Then she would like put that reel on her Instagram ka reels ka section. She will try 4 5 audios for me. Then she'll tell me ki this audio ka this second you put, it will look nice. In these 9 months of creating content on Instagram, I feel that मैंने काफी कुछ किया है. They used to always let me put my first story, like if 4 of us or anyone goes anywhere out, तो मैं हमेशा पहले स्टोरी डालती थी एंड दे यूज्ड टू रीपोस्ट माय स्टोरी, सो माय अकाउंट गेट्स थोड़ा बेटर मार्केटिंग, मतलब माय अकाउंट इज मोर एक्नॉलेज्ड बाय पीपल। फिर हमने क्लास की भी एक रील बनाई थी और a lot of people from the class supported, yeah, we will do that, and collectively I feel that there have been a lot of people who have supported me, and from my side I feel that मैंने भी ऐसे during the trains also I try to edit and sometimes find ideas. थोड़ी reels when I put in trial reel they don't work, some work really really well, so I mean I also have been trying and experimenting, but this main motive of recording such a long intro is that I'm really grateful that I started Instagram. 1,000 followers, definitely it is great and it makes me feel very overwhelming because I'm someone who does not really expect. जब मेरे YouTube पे भी 1,000 हुए थे, so I was pretty chill कि okay great, मेरे YouTube पे 2,000 हुआ, I was like okay nice great. But like if someone celebrates for you, then it really becomes ki, oh it hits you ki, oh my god, yeah, I did achieve something, like not a very big thing but something. So that way I would just like to tell thank you to Pia, Vaishvi, and Tasha especially for doing the whole procedure. They have taken a lot of clips here and there. So like that vlog rolls ahead for y'all. But yeah, to everyone who helped me and in any way like motivated me. I remember this one conversation during one of my clinical postings. 4 5 us were sitting and someone said that you're doing really well on YouTube. You should start try Instagram. And then they started showing me accounts ki ye dekh ye hai, so you can like try creating something like this. Your YouTube is doing well. You do this, like people notice you, people do motivate you, and it really makes me feel. And usually when you like have an Instagram account, I feel that your friends around you थोड़ा सा ऐसे लगता है कि um like I don't feel any insecurity or any bad vibes ever मेरे को कभी भी ऐसे feel नहीं हुआ. It's always been very welcoming, very super super motivating. Like if we go anywhere outside, they'll send idea, we can make this reel, we can, and then you can post it on blah blah blah. So it's been really nice and definitely I hope to be more consistent, more nicer and in every way. But just that I'm super grateful for everyone who followed me, motivated me, and I feel that just for 1,000 followers, I'm speaking way too much. But I mean, it's fine. This is how I'm feeling right now. So I just said it aloud, and yeah, thank you. Now you can continue watching my main vlog, which would be like thoda sa short and quick, but still it is very, 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 very special to me. So bye and continue watching that now.
मैं जो एक अकाउंट भेज रहा हूँ इंस्टा पे अभी के अभी फॉलो करना प्लीज.
हो गया Hi guys. And the cake. So basically, नहीं. So basically, we are recording this before Practic comes क्योंकि उसका 1K हो गया है. हम लोग बहुत टाइम इसके लिए वेट कर रहे थे. And today we have brought ऐसा चौमासा special Mava cake and Kit Kat ताकि we can ऐसा make 1K and just give her this surprise.
This is ऐसा चौमासे में हो गया इसी जगह ना हम थोड़ा
One of your last efforts matter.
we'll show you. Yeah, bye. हाय गाइस, तो हमने ऐसे डेकोर कर दिया है. वैष्णवी फटाफट स्पून लेने गई ताकि हम काटेंगे, हम कुछ लेके नहीं, हम सब भूल गए. आपको बताती हूँ कैसा. This is how it looks. Nice, very nice. Yeah. This is very जुगाड़ू केक, but we can't help it. वैष्णवी
हम लोग बहुत जुगाड़ किया है. यही दिशा देखा सेकंड डे इसका पेन दिख रहा है, नीचे दिख रहा है.
और हमें पाना मिल गया, पता है, ये बुलाने के लिए प्राप्ति को ताकि लाइब्रेरी
पर वो स्मूथ से बात करने गाइस. लेट्स गो.
Happy 1K! Yeah, friendly. Why not? यार मेहनत किया तूने ये अचीव करने में भाई. Congrats. Come also come. I love you. Happy हैप्पी 1K to you. Can you please show your face? Yeah, please. हाँ. Yeah, make a wish and then eat. 1 million. तू खा ले फिर. वो नहीं खा पाएगी तो पूछ फिर वो चॉकलेट खाती है.
Hi guys, so I'm in the vlog now. किधर गए? So I would like to thank all these 3 girls for putting so much effort for me and doing very unexpected things. अभी हम स्टेशन पे, मुझे अभी याद है कि एंड का एक vlog बना देते हैं. Do you want to say anything?
You have to say.
We said everything we
Okay. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शॉकिंग फील हुआ because I did not expect. ये लोग बोल रहे टिशा रो रही है, टिशा रो रही है.
इसमें डुअल ले कैमरा तो हम भी
That's it. The surprise was very nice, very thoughtful according to what we eat and how we eat. So, वो बोलूँ very unexpected. I don't think so. इनको ये करने की जरूरत थी. They could situation me nicely. But ये लोग ने ऐसे किया.
planning this for ages and then finally.
And it's not like she did not deserve it. So we were supposed to. We were obviously gonna do it because you deserve it. And I'm proud of you.
Thank you so
ऐसे
much.
हाँ मैं वही करवा रही थी.
Okay. अभी हमारी ट्रेन है, तब तक हम बात कर सकते हैं.
हम तीनों को बोलना था
कि हमारा टीम
thank
का
you
काम
for
नहीं
everyone
हुआ. हमारा
also
टीम
who
का
followed her because she is ऐसा doing a lot of
Basically, Vaishali is going out.
I don't think she can.
बंदे को 10 बार बोल के गई है. Thousand.
Yeah, so she is doing a lot of hard work. आज भी वो content creation का काम कर रही थी. हमने उसके लिए बुला लिया.
वो अपना लेक्चर्स इतने इम्पोर्टेंट पैच होता है. अर्चना मैम
ऐसे ये सब मत बोल.
मिस करी थी. अर्चना मैम का लेक्चर मिस कर दिया. अर्चना मैम ने क्या पढ़ा है आज?
हाँ.
अच्छा पढ़ा, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा.
So yes,
एक बार मुझे देखा. So Vaishali is tomorrow supposed to go to Jodhpur. That's why she is not coming from tomorrow. तो आज का ही दिन था और मेरे कुछ 993 थे, 94 अराउंड थे. तो वो लोग ने ऐसे एक जन को बोला कि फॉलो करो because they wanted कि आज ही 1000 हो जाए so that I don't have to like कल होंगे तो Vaishali won't be there blah blah blah. So वो लोग ने
हमने सबको बोला 1005 हो गया है अभी.
हमने तो बस एक 1 का एम किया था बट पीपल एक्चुअली फॉलोड एंड
Thanks to all of our friends and family who followed.
I'm also very nice, happy, grateful. Thank you so much to everyone who took effort.
and thank you Pia for giving your phone.
Yes.
Pia कुछ बोलनी.
उसने ना 512 GB हमारे लिए ही
Okay guys, bye bye.
मैं शायद घर जाके खुद के लिए भी वीडियो बनाऊँ, उससे कुछ बोलने को एक्सप्रेसिव.
Okay guys, bye bye.